Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I will show you how to solve problem of lowest common multiple of 3 numbers. Solution. What we do here, we use the first method, which is multiple methods. A multiple method, we have to look for the multiples of 6, 8, and 9. Multiples means times table. What are the multiples of 6? We say 6 times table. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 8, 48. 6 times 9, 54. 6 times 10, 60. 6 times 11, 66. And 6 times 12, 72. Then what next? We look for the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8, 8 times 1, 8. Times 2, 16. Times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 6, 48. 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 9, 72. 8 times 8, 8. 8 times 10, 80. 8 times 11, 88. 8 times 12, 96. Then we take 9 times table. 9 times 9 is 1. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 7, 63. 9 times 8, 72. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 10, 90. 9 times 11, 99. All these are multiples of 6, 8, and 9. Therefore, the LCM of these 3 numbers, we look for the common numbers that appear in the tray. We have 72 appear in line 9, 72 appear in lines 8, and 72 appear in line 6. Therefore, LCM is the lowest common multiples that appear the 3 lines, which is equals to 72. Now we use the prime factor method. In prime factor method, what we do, we write the 6 numbers. We write 6, 8, and 9. What are the prime numbers that can divide, that can times both or times to give you 6? We have 2 times 3. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Then 9 is 3 times 3. Therefore, LCM is equal to, we have numbers that appear here is 2 and 3. We look for a line where we have more numbers of 2, which is line 8. We have to take all, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Then, where do we have the highest numbers of 3? We go to line 9. Then we include the 2, 3 times 3. When we multiply all, we have 2 times 2 gives you 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24 times 3 gives you 72, which is the answer. 3 methods. We look for the factors of 6. 6, we have 2 and 3. 8, we have 2 and 4. 4 is not a prime number. We have to look for the next prime number, which is 2 and 2. Then we go to 9. 9, we have 3 and 3. To have the LCM, is equal to, where do we have the highest numbers of 2? We have it here. We have to take all of them, which is 2 times 2 times 2. And where do we have the highest numbers of 3? We have it here. We have to take all of them, times 3 times 3. When you multiply these, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3, 24, 24 times 3, 72. Third, long factor methods. In long factor methods, we have to write 6, 8, and 9. We look for the smallest prime number that can divide all of them without remainder, either any of them without remainder. We look for the prime factor that can divide any of them without remainder, which the smallest is 2. 2 gives you 3, 4, and 9. The next is 2. 2 here 3, 2 here 2, 2 into 9, 9. The next is 2. 2 into 3 remains 3. 2 into 2 gives you 1. 2 into 9, 9. The next is 3. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 1, 1. 3 into 9, 3. And the last one is 3. We have 1, 1, 1. Therefore, the LCM is equal to, we pick all the factors here, which will give us 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which will give us 72 as the answer. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.